Welcome to Sentiment University. This video is one in a series of videos demonstrating how to get the most out of using Sentiment. In this video, we will examine the basics of the Sentiment inbox. This is the main inbox of Sentiment. Depending on your role and settings within Sentiment, you will see the messages either assigned to you or all general inbox messages to the left. Let's begin at the top. This is your search bar. From here, you can fine-tune your search settings to find specific messages. For example, let's search for all messages that contain the word return. You can click on the small plus icon and select several search options. For this example, we will click on Message Text and enter the word return. Now you can see all messages that contain that word or phrase. You can refine your search even further by clicking on the filter icon. Based on your search needs, this filter can filter by date range, stream, tags, and more. The icon to the right with 3 bars allows you to change the order of the conversations in the list below, either by date, author, and priority listing in either ascending or descending order. The refresh icon indicates when a new message has arrived in your inbox. Simply click on the icon to refresh your conversation list and reveal the new message. Now, let's look at the inbox in action and send a reply to your customer. Click on one of the conversations from the conversation list to open it. In the main window, you will see the conversation initiated by your customer. There are several icons on each message in the conversation. We'll go over what all of these do in part 2 of the video. The number of icons that you see will depend on your company's configuration. You will see both message boxes from your customer and your replies. Inbound messages are left aligned and your replies are right aligned. To send a reply, go to the bottom of the main window. Here, you will see a large reply box with several options. When you hover over the reply box, you will see a small up arrow icon appear. This allows you to expand the window for long responses to your customers, if needed. To the right of the response window, you will see several icons. The first is a paperclip icon, which allows you to attach any relevant items to your customer, such as attachments and images. Next is an icon with a plus sign. This contains all your canned responses. For a detailed video on creating canned responses, find the link in the description box of this video. Next, you will see an emoji icon. This allows you to send various emojis to your customers if needed. Finally, you will see boxes indicating if the conversation comes from a public post or a private direct message. Be aware that Sentiment Live Chat will not have this feature. In the top right corner, you will find 3 icons: a green checkbox, a red X, and a blue question mark. These are your action buttons. The green check mark resolves the conversation with your customer. Let's say, for example, your customer messages your company with a basic issue. You resolve the issue and are ready to end the conversation. You can click on this box, and it sends the conversation to the resolve section of the inbox. Now let's say you receive spam, or a message you don't need to respond to. You can simply press the red X, which will resolve the conversation as a resolved no action item. This simply means you are ending the conversation with no action taken in regards to the message. Finally, there is a blue pending conversation button. Let's say you are engaged with your customer and need to put the conversation on a brief pause. For example, you need some additional information from your customer, such as an account number or shipping order number. While the customer is retrieving this information, you can put the conversation into a pending status. Upon the customer's return, they will message you, which will resume the conversation and bring it back into the inbox. All conversations that are either resolved or resolved no action can be found in the archive section of the inbox, while pending conversations can be found in the pending section of the inbox.